Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to unlock your iPhone with voice control. Now for us to get this done, let's head over to our settings. And in our settings, we're going to look for accessibility. Now down here, I want you to go ahead and scroll down and look for voice control options right here. I'm going to click this one. And then from here, you have commands. So I want you to go ahead and click that one. And then we're going to go ahead and click custom. So in this case, you're going to create a new command. So click this one right here and then say whatever speakable phrase that you'd like to use here. So I'm going to go ahead and use say cheese, for example. And then we're going to go ahead and set an action. So click this and then click run custom gesture. Now, essentially what is happening here is that you are going to imagine that you are typing your password. So in this case scenario, let's say, for example, my password is going to be 1234 or 56, say, for example. All we have to do is press those numbers here on the screen. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, to make this easier for you guys, you can go ahead and attach, say, for example, a clear plastic here on your screen, and then go ahead and try to type it there, or maybe mark it with a marker. And then you can go here and then do the same pattern, just like this one. Now I'm going to go ahead and click the save button right here. Now that we have done that one, we have added a new custom command. We can go back here, and the last thing that you want to do is enable the voice control. So I can go ahead and click this, and you'll know that it is on because you're going to see the voice control icon right here on the upper left. So yeah, from this point forward, all you have to do is just try it. And yeah, that's how you're going to unlock your iPhone with voice control.